tadhana at nagkatuluyan. Ladies and gentlemen, with pride and joy, let us all welcome with our resounding applause our newlywed couple, Mr. Avi Pasqua and Mrs. Hazel May Alamon Pasqua! Palakpakan po natin sila! Lahat ng masayang makita ang bagong kasal,